BA Hon's Painting, Drawing and Printmaking at Arts University Plymouth is the only undergraduate course of its kind in the UK that brings these disciplines together in this holistic way. You will be guided to develop an independent art practice by immersing yourself in painting, drawing and printmaking as three interconnected ways of making and thinking. You'll be given the space and support to discover your own artistic voice through imaginative questioning, material experimentation, and skilled invention. This is a practice-based course where learning is rooted in the studio. From the outset, you will be encouraged to explore the creative potential of varied materials, techniques, and processes. You will learn how traditional methods, such as intaglio printmaking and making paint from raw pigments, can feed the development of a contemporary art practice. Through hands-on experimentation, you'll test different approaches and reflect on what you're doing and why. Regular tutorials, seminars, lectures, and group discussions will help you develop confidence and engage with relevant contexts for your work. We will guide you to develop an imaginative mindset, helping you to take risks and learn how to move through the creative process with curiosity. You will work in light and airy studios designed to enable focus and ambition. Working in this dedicated, specialist space, you'll be part of a community of practitioners exploring the possibilities of painting, drawing, and printmaking together. Our studios include a range of professional printmaking facilities, such as screen printing, etching, lino, woodblock, and letterpress, alongside access to digital fabrication and workshop technologies. Dedicated staff and practicing artists will provide you with expert support. Throughout the course, you will consider your place within the wider landscape of contemporary art. You will engage with diverse art histories and current debates to develop your own critical frameworks for creative inquiry. Exhibition visits, research into regional and national collections, and opportunities to show your work publicly throughout the course help you to understand how to position your work. As your studies progress, your practice will become increasingly self-directed, culminating in an exhibition of your final project at the graduate show. The course will nurture your unique voice as a contemporary artist, foregrounding who you are and what you care about. It will support you to be ambitious, questioning, critical, and committed, enabling you to establish an enduring creative career.